I am hooking up the hose to a shower head that will be attached to the tree, and I've already started it, but I thought it might be fun to share a video, so I'm going to just talk to you about what I've done so far. So first I had to drill in the hole, okay, for the bracket, and I used a drill bit, and then using the drill here, and I put the screw in there. So next, this water will be cold. We were discussing that, but it's 80 degrees here today, so I thought we need something. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the video and continue after I drill, because I don't have a GoPro and I can't hold this any other way, so I'm gonna connect the video after okay, so both sides of the bracket have been screwed into the piece of wood, and the next thing I'm going to do is pick out a tree, and we're going to be attaching this piece of wood to the tree. I think this tree is going to be good. It looks like it's healthy. There's a pile of sand right here, so I think we could stand there, and it's not close to the generator because we don't want water near there. Wait, there it is. So I think that's a good tree, and I do think the hose will reach. Something I've learned about myself is that I often will get an idea about something, think I have all the information, and I'll just start it and I'll just do it. And then I realize while I'm in the middle of doing it that I might have wanted to do something different. So here we go. Here we are. I took the shower head out because I realized it will be easier to attach the wood to the tree without the bracket and the shower head there. I probably could manage it, but that would be a hassle. Okay, so I loosened the screws. Great. Yeah, so I've made some holes, made 3, and now I'm gonna go get the ladder, and I'm going to screw this into the tree. So speaking of doing things before I think it through, so check out, wait, can you see? Oh, there. Check out the top of this. I don't know. You smarty pants know what this thing's called. I don't. But anyway, it doesn't fit this. See that? So, fortunately, I've got options. So I'm gonna take some time and find the right connector. Okay, so I found the one that fits. I don't know if you could see it. It'll fit this. I'm gonna put it on the tree a little low because we want to be able to reach up to put the hose onto the nozzle here on the tree. We don't really want to be taking the ladder out every time we want to use the shower. The first one's in. I don't think I could do it while holding the phone, so just trust me. Now I have to change this back to the regular Phillips head top so that I can attach the nozzle. Okay, we did it. I did it. So I'm gonna put the ladder away and hook up the hose, see how this goes. Okay, hooked up the hose. I think what might have been more helpful is to get, I don't know, like an extender that I could attach to the nozzle and the hose, because I had to twist the hose a little bit. I think I'll be fine. I mean, look, it's pretty twisted already. All right, next thing is I'm going to turn the water on. The generator's on and the water is flowing. However, I forgot to turn the nozzle on to spray. So I'm going to walk over there and do that, and hopefully not miss a shot of the water coming out of the shower. Goodness, they don't make things like they used to. Right? There we go. I think I can angle this down a bit more. So this is this whole like setup. So Elise and I were at the hardware store today. We're talking about doing this shower, and she suggested doing the bracket on the wood. And I gotta also say a shout out to my dad, Paul Mortimer, because when we grew up in our backyard, he had a shower nozzle that he also attached to a tree, and we would be able to take our summer showers out there, like after going to the beach or playing or something like that. So combining Paul Mortimer and Elise Cummins, their ideas, now have our shower, and I am literally going to go under that. It's like 85 here in Maine, and it's like May 27 or 28 or something. I don't even know, but it's hot and gotta stay hydrated and cool. Hooray! I'm actually really excited. Bye. Final thoughts about the water. We had some of the water tested, and we don't have a conclusion yet about the arsenic that could be in the well water. Maine is one of the states in the country that has a pretty high incidence of arsenic in well water. We can't drink the water really until we find that out. We did send the test out to a lab, so we'll get the results at some point. So we can't drink it, but we can definitely water things, and we can shower as long as we don't drink the water.